In this video, I'll guide you through how to handle bank statement end balance mismatches in wave accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your personal finances, keeping your accounts reconciled is crucial. So let's dive in and tackle this common issue together. First, you'll want to navigate to the correct section in wave accounting. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with various options. From this sidebar, head over to the section labeled Accounting. Once you're there, you'll find an option called Reconciliation. Click on it. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to view how your bank statements align with your accounting records in Wave. Next, you'll need to select the specific bank or credit card account that you're working with. There should be a drop-down menu available, allowing you to choose from your linked accounts. Make sure you select the correct one, as this is key to addressing any discrepancies accurately. It's a simple step, but it sets the stage for everything else. Once you've selected the appropriate account, take a look at the list of past periods displayed on your screen. This list will show you the reconciliation status for each month. It's important to work methodically, so start with the oldest records available. By doing this, you'll ensure that any errors are caught right from their origins and corrected accordingly. As you examine each month, pay close attention to the reconciliation status. You're specifically looking for any months where the wave balance and the statement balance do not match. This mismatch is what indicates a reconciliation issue, and identifying where it first occurs is crucial in solving the problem. Once you've pinpointed the first month with a mismatch, you're ready to dive deeper into solving it. But remember, addressing these discrepancies might require reviewing individual transactions, checking for any missing entries, or correcting any errors in data entry. While this guide focuses on identifying the issue, always ensure your transaction entries are thorough and accurate. It's also worth noting that regular reconciliation can prevent these mismatches from becoming a major headache. By routinely checking your statements against your Wave records, you can catch discrepancies early on, saving you time and stress in the long run. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively handle bank statement end balance mismatches in Wave accounting, ensuring your finances are always in tip-top shape. Keep practicing this process regularly, and you'll find it becomes second nature, helping you maintain accurate financial records with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.